With an estimated population of some 2,500 residents, the registration for COVID-19 vaccinations has been low in Pella, situated between Atlantis and Momray. Community leaders say the community has been hard hit by infections during the third wave. Initial hesitancy, coupled with difficulties in travelling to vaccination sites, are some of the challenges.
Die hoogtepunt was hierdie jaar tussen Mei, Julie.
The peak was during May through July this year, when our people were hit hard by COVID. Many were very ill and some have passed away.
Aantal mense wat vreeslik siek was.
As I said, my mother was among the very ill and we believed we were going to lose her, and we are grateful to God working in her heart so that she came for her vaccine today.
The Vaxi Taxi initiative, which offers both the Pfizer and J&J vaccines, brings vaccination services as close as possible to where people live, especially in rural and previously underserved areas.
It's very convenient for me, and I'm trying to save my family, keep everyone in health. And it's the big days where everyone do come in contact, families come together, and so keep our people safe. So that's why I've decided, no longer time wasted, I'm coming to get my vaccination.
Everywhere around the world, you see that most of the people ending up in the hospitals is those that is unvaccinated. So I see an urgency there to have your vaccine, and especially a person like me, the industry I'm working in people's houses. I think it's important to get vaccinated, to protect myself, and to make sure that the other people is protected.
The Health Department says it's pushing ahead in its bid to vaccinate 85% of the adult population over the age of 50 by the end of December.
In the metro, in terms of the increase in the cases, it's almost more than 200%. So which is quite concerning. That's why I was saying that in order to save our summer, there should be jabs before Joel, there should be vax before the vibe, and we have to reach out to the people. And I'm making an example that if IEC could be able to bring the ballots anywhere, and even have got special votes for those who are unable to reach to the voting station, why can't we?
We planned for 100, and we came out hoping that if we reach 100, we'd be quite happy, and use it as an opportunity to obviously promote vaccine. But we were quite surprised by now. We've done about 85 already, and you can see behind us there's still quite a few people who are waiting in line, and more coming as the word spreads.
A 78-year-old bedridden resident of Pella, Pauline Tace, received her jab at home. Authorities say they will return to offer vaccinations in Pella, but also use all its Vaxi taxis across the metro and rural areas to leave no one behind. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Pella, Atlantis.